This is Kalongo farm, and I've seen a lot of things from Kalongo. We've learned a lot of things here in Africa, East Africa and Tanzania. We've got a lot of things happen here. Now this one is sanitizer. Me sanitize. Me good. Oh, supposed to sanitize. Only this. Oh, let me do it once again like this. So there is a sanitizer, so that you cannot make some things. And here is how it looks like. Oh. Oh, 4920. Oh. Kwa siku tray 135. Oh. Tray. Kila siku. Tray 135. Wow. Isiende sana. Oh, thank you. Oh, nimeona una
disturb, unakuta uzalishaji unapungua.
Oh, hata mimi pia wanapopiga kelele naona kuna kitu fulani. So this is how it look like. Ah. Okay. This is amazing. Wow. Thank you, brother. Woo. Brother, habari? Oh, ila kwa mtu aliyezoea hamna shida. Hamna shida. Ila kwa mgeni lazima wanashtuka. Oh. Hey. This is Kalongo farm.
Tunajiandaa na vifaranga nani? Maandalizi ya kuku mayai.
Kuku mayai.
Ujenzi ndio unavyoona kama unavyoendelea.
Ujenzi unaendelea. Na hao ni kuku wa mayai kwenye ile banda.
Ambao ni layers.
Oh, layers. Huku kuku wa mayai ambao
ni wale jamii.
Ni layers. So wow. So nice. Boss vipi?
Bubu.
Oh.
Ni mjenzi wetu aliyojenga majengo yote.
Kweli? Oh.
Hapo mpaka chini.
Okay. Sawa. Oh. Thank you very much. This is Kalongo farming. Oh, na hii ni store ya vyakula.
Store ya chakula.
Oh. Huku naweza nikatokea ukuset? Okay, thank you. Thank you, brother. Asante. I learned a lot of things. See you, brother. Okay. Nitakuja mchana. Ikiwezekana nikiwa na mazingira mazuri. Nitakuja kuchukua video zuri. Leo nilikuwa naenda hapo Kijungu na sehemu moja inaitwa Ghost Bridge. Asante kwa sana. Wow, this is Kalongo farming. And this is how it look like. We have learned a lot of things. We have seen how chicken layers eggs. Also, because of time, perhaps we can have a lot of things to learn. Wamefunga nini? Oh, just ask if it is closed. Well, I don't know. Perhaps I can pass this way. Kalongo farming, so nice. So good place. Oh, there is a lot of gates here. And there is a lot of production here at Kalongo farming. Perhaps I can pass. Oh, is it? Oh, it's closed. Not closed. Oh, not closed. You open yourself and you close yourself. Guys, this is Kalongo farming, and now it's like it is also noon. I'm supposed to turn back to the place I come from, and I've got a lot of video. I've learned a lot of things. Kalongo, I've used today. I used 50,000. I went at Kijungu. After I went Kijungu, I went at Ghost Bridge, and here at Kalongo approximate money which I use is approximate to 50,000. But the education which I get is millions of Tanzanians, man. Imagine you pay a little and you gain more. This is how I did it today. This place is so amazing. It's so cool. Kalongo Block D and Kalongo Block B, Heckel 5, House Michi. There is a lot of program here. Brother, nashukuru. Asante, karibuni, karibuni Mbeya bwana. Ndio mnapokaa? Okay, nitakuja tena next week. Na kuna vitu bado sijachukua video za kutosha. I'll come during next week. Brother, thank you. Asante, brother. Yes, okay, thank you very much. Brother, thank you. Wow, this is Kalongo, and I'm very happy to see the environment like this. And because my battery I've charged my phone, but my battery look low. Let me switch off, and we're going to have another video. I'm very happy to be here, guys. Everything is like dreams. Everything's like magic. And I'm here for the last time, and I'm going to pass another gate. Perhaps I can see another issue there. I can see another things, and see if I can. How much am I? It's a lot of money. Is it enough for me? How much? Oh, it's enough. Enough for me. I can buy a lot of things here. This is Kalongo Farm, a very attractive place. It's among a very nice place I ever seen. Oh, what's up? Mambo yasemaje? Shwari bosi. Oh, Kalongo Farm. Ooh. Views of Kalongo. More video. Nice video. Good video. Oh, Kalongo avocado. This is the way to go at Kalongo. Thank you. Wow. This is Kalongo Farm's house look like. It's one among amazing place at Africa. Looks house look like. It is amazing. From Africa, East Africa, Tanzania, Kiwila, Lungwe. Come at Kalongo to see a miracle things. Come here to see a lot of things happen here. Wow, it's amazing to see the view like this at Kalongo Farm. I'm so happy to see how this Kalongo look like. Oh, so nice. This is among tourist place Africa. It's known as Kalongo.